Imagine a secret door within your mind, a gateway to unlocking limitless potential, transforming your dreams into tangible reality, and manifesting abundance, love, health, and success with greater ease. This door isn't hidden behind complex rituals or mystical symbols. It's accessible through the power of your own consciousness, amplified by a simple yet profound tool: sound. Specifically, the frequency 528 Hz, often called the love frequency or miracle tone, has been used for centuries, long before modern science began to understand the profound impact of sound on our minds and bodies. Today, emerging scientific research and ancient wisdom converge to reveal that this frequency holds the key to aligning your energy with your deepest desires. Welcome to this journey into harnessing the power of intention and the vibrational frequency of 528 Hz, your guide to transforming your life by mastering your inner energies. First, let's understand the fundamental principle behind manifestation. Your thoughts and emotions are powerful energetic signals. Think of your mind as a radio transmitter. The quality of your mental signals, your beliefs, expectations, and feelings determine what kind of broadcast you send out into the universe. When you focus on positive, empowering thoughts and emotions, gratitude, love, confidence, you send out a high-frequency signal that attracts similar energies back to you. Conversely, negative thoughts and feelings, fear, doubt, resentment, emit low-frequency signals that draw experiences aligned with those states. This is not just wishful thinking. It's rooted in both ancient spiritual traditions and modern scientific understanding of quantum physics. Our subconscious mind, which governs most of our behaviors and beliefs, responds more readily when we are in states of relaxed awareness, focus, and emotional clarity. That's why techniques like meditation, visualization, and sound therapy are so effective. They help us access these receptive states. Now, let's focus on the role of sound. Historically, cultures around the world have used chanting, toning, and musical instruments to heal, meditate, and connect with higher states of consciousness. The solfeggio frequencies, a set of sacred tones used in Gregorian chants and other spiritual practices, include 528 Hz as a central component. Research in sound therapy indicates that specific frequencies influence brainwave activity, cellular functions, and emotional states. When you listen to 528 Hz, your brain tends to synchronize with that frequency through a process called brainwave entrainment. This synchronization encourages your mind to enter relaxed, meditative, and highly receptive states, ideal for manifesting. In fact, some studies suggest that 528 Hz can promote DNA repair and cellular regeneration, reduce stress and anxiety, enhance feelings of love, compassion, and inner peace, boost overall physical and emotional healing. While these findings are still being explored in scientific circles, countless individuals across cultures and histories have attested to the profound healing and transformational effects of this frequency. So, where does 528 Hz come from, and why has it gained such a reputation? The solfeggio scale, an ancient musical scale rediscovered in the 1970s, contains these sacred tones believed to have special healing properties. The 528 Hz tone is associated with miracles, transformation, and DNA repair. Some researchers and spiritual teachers claim that this frequency was used in ancient civilizations for healing ceremonies and spiritual rituals. Its association with love and transformation stems from the idea that the heart chakra resonates at this frequency, fostering compassion, harmony, and connection. Modern sound engineers and musicians have crafted music and soundscapes tuned to 528 Hz, making it accessible for meditation, healing, and manifestation practices. Here's how 528 Hz acts as a catalyst in your manifestation journey. Resonance and alignment. When you listen to 528 Hz, your brain and body resonate with the frequency, creating a state of harmony and balance. This resonance aligns your inner energetic state with your desires, making manifestation more effortless. Deep relaxation and focus. The frequency induces alpha and theta brainwaves, states associated with meditation, deep relaxation, and heightened intuition. When your mind is in these states, your subconscious becomes more receptive to your intentions. Amplification of emotions. Emotions are the fuel for manifestation. When you combine listening to 528 Hz with feelings of gratitude, love, and certainty, you amplify your emotional energy, boosting your manifesting power. DNA and cellular healing. Some scientific evidence suggests that 528 Hz can stimulate cellular repair and DNA healing, which supports physical well-being and vitality, an essential foundation for manifesting your goals. Now, let's explore how you can incorporate this powerful frequency into your daily life. Create a sacred space, quiet, comfortable, perhaps decorated with symbols of your goals like affirmation cards, crystals, or images that inspire you. Dedicate 10 to 20 minutes daily to listen to high-quality 528 Hz soundscapes, music, or tones. Use headphones for immersion. Find recordings specifically tuned to 528 Hz. Many are available online. While listening, close your eyes, breathe deeply, and enter a relaxed state. Visualize your desires vividly, see them, feel them, and experience the emotions as if they're already happening. Engage all your senses. Repeat positive affirmations aloud or silently, such as, "I am worthy of love and abundance. My desires are manifesting with ease," or "I am open to receiving miracles." Focus on cultivating feelings of gratitude, joy, and love. Emotions are the energetic fuel that accelerates manifestation. After each session, write down your goals, desires, and any insights or intuitive messages you receive. Express gratitude for their manifestation as if they have already occurred. Consistency is key. Practice daily or several times a week, maintaining a positive, trusting mindset. Integrate with affirmations, gratitude exercises, or energy work like Reiki to deepen your vibrational alignment. For those who want to take their practice further, consider creating personalized sound recordings tuned to 528 Hz, incorporating your affirmations, or even composing music that resonates with your specific goals. Combine visualization with movement, yoga, tai chi, or dance, while listening to 528 Hz to amplify your energetic flow. Use intentional breathing. Inhale love and abundance. Exhale doubt and resistance, while immersed in the frequency to clear energetic blockages and align your entire being with your desires. Many people worldwide have reported remarkable shifts after incorporating 528 Hz into their routines, healing chronic pain and illness, breakthroughs in relationships or careers, deepening inner peace, and awakening a profound sense of connection to higher guidance. While individual results vary, the common thread is a heightened sense of alignment, trust, and emotional clarity, key ingredients in manifesting your dreams. Remember, sound alone is not magic. It's a tool, a vibrational catalyst that amplifies your focused intention and emotional energy. Your true power lies within your beliefs, feelings, and unwavering trust in the process. As you cultivate a positive, abundant mindset and pair it with the vibrational resonance of 528 Hz, you create a magnetic environment for your desires to manifest faster and more effortlessly. Your reality is a reflection of your inner world. By consciously tuning your thoughts, emotions, and energy, you can become a powerful co-creator of your life. The frequency 528 Hz is a wonderful ally in this journey, helping you deepen your connection to love, healing, and manifestation. I invite you to start today. Dedicate a few minutes to listen, visualize, and feel your desires with unwavering faith. Trust in the process. Be patient, persistent, and open to receiving. Remember, your dreams are just a frequency away. If this message resonated with you, please share your experiences or questions below. What is the one thing you are most excited to manifest using the power of 528 Hz? Subscribe to our channel for more insights into consciousness, healing, and manifestation techniques. Together, let's elevate our vibrations and co-create a life filled with abundance, love, peace, and miracles. Thank you for being part of this journey. Keep shining your light, stay aligned with your highest good, and trust that the universe is always working in your favor. Until next time, stay inspired, stay grateful, and remember that your reality responds to the frequency of your heart and mind.